Inter-process communication, IPC, refers to a mechanism where the operating systems allow various processes to communicate with each other. This involves synchronizing their actions and managing shared data. This course covers a foundational understanding of IPC. Each of the chapters contain related topics with simple and useful examples. This course by Academy Europe is designed for beginners who seek to understand the basic concepts of inter-process communication and how its different components function. There are no particular prerequisites for this course, however, a sound knowledge of operating systems and its various concepts will be an added advantage in understanding this course.